You may please sit down po, yun po. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the celebration of life, love, and family. Welcome to Echo and Iris wedding reception ceremony. To officially enter, first time, let me call on the bridesman, the best man and the maid of honor, Abner and Jonah. Palakpakan naman po dyan! Seriously, I'm going to very light. Stop. Hintayin niyo po sila dyan. Side. Then Alex and Trisha! Asa na? Palakpakan naman po! Ayan. Kasata yung sisi. Stay lang po kayo dyan, sir. I-welcome po niyo ano. Then Alvin and John Micaela. Michelle pala, sorry. Alvin and John Michelle. Wala. Then John and Brett. Wala din. Sino mo yan dyan? Irish and Isaiah. Sino ba ito? Ay, intergrooms rin. Ayun na sila. Okay na po yung iba, papasok na. Yung bail. Okay, wait po. Giselle and Michael. Trisha and John. Stay lang po dyan. Ganera kayo dyan mga answer. Alexandra and Alvie. Hey, hey, hey! Okay na po, Brian? Ayan, talagang pogi talaga. Wait lang, nagpapa-extend lang po sila.